Epic it looks behind me. 50 plus supercars behind me. This amazing canyon. To their new dealership for this second drive that they've planned. The first one was absolutely epic. I did a little bit of vlogging on it, guys, but it was just too intense of a drive, and I kind of just stopped vlogging and didn't really wrap up the vlog or have any consistency to it. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit better of a job on that for you guys today, and just kind of show you the adventure. It's gonna be an epic drive. We're starting in Irvine and heading on down to my hometown Temecula, and ending at a winery over there for a nice little lunch. A little late, you know, I won't be there right at the beginning to see exactly all the cars coming in, but it's anything like the last drive, it's gonna be insane. Last time, like, the word got out and a bunch of people showed, so I'm not sure how they're gonna handle that this time, but it should be pretty epic, guys. There we have a little McLaren 570S. I went on a rally with that guy back in the day, but guys, check it out. Is that not the coolest thing in the world? McLaren is the street name of the new dealership. Come on. Got the 600 LT, got the 620R, which is the new one right here. I haven't seen this color. I know there was an orange one floating around. This one is looking good. It's kind of just like a GT car. Maybe a little bit more comfortable for the road. It's got the huge wing in the back. I love the color. I'm wondering if this is that Borealis color or not. 620R, guys. This is essentially the latest and greatest from McLaren. Road legal track car, ready to rock. Got the center seats in there. Got the harness. It's gonna be an epic drive. It's gonna be epic just getting out of here like it was last time. Should be a fun drive, guys. There's Warren's 600 LT. Let's go take a look at it real quick. He got a crazy spec on this car. Gonna run over to it. Out Warren's car, guys. He's a club member. He's gonna go on some drives with us. He always does go on some drives with us. I've seen him at the track a long time ago. I've known him for a couple years. Sick car, guys. He just got this all done. Got it to stand out, and that's exactly what it does, is it stands out. Look at those brake calipers. I actually contacted the dudes that did his brake calipers because I'm thinking about doing a wrap and changing the calipers on my car pretty soon. But I just got some wheels done on my car, and it kind of like changed the whole look of it, so I'm gonna kind of enjoy it like that for a little bit. Diablo GT that I saw last time that caught my eye. I love this car. Ooh-wee. Imagine owning one of these and pulling it out of your garage and going to the grocery store. Insane. All right, let's see what they have inside. I think they got an Aventador. Got the new Evo. Get me some coffee real quick. Got a lot of familiar faces in here. Been on a couple of these rallies even before I owned a supercar, so it's kind of cool to see some of these guys. But like I said, I promise that I'm gonna get you guys some footage. So here I am getting you guys some footage. Look at the color on this Aventador SVJ. This thing is insane. This is like an $800,000 car, you guys. I mean, it looks like you can cut your finger just looking at it. What an insane ride. Here's the new Lamborghini Huracan Evo in yellow. Always love the yellow and black specs. Got that V10 looking good. Got a bunch of white Lambos over here, which looks sick. Got the SVJ. Yeah. No, this is just an SV. I take that back. I thought it was an SVJ. Got the Urus right over here. These things are so fun. I remember when the Urus first came out, we went to Spring Mountain with our buddy, and he had bought one, and he literally just bought the Urus, and he took it to the racetrack that same day. Took me for a ride, and it was absolutely insane. You can get like a back massage and take this car on the racetrack. That's how insane it is. Got the Huracan Spider right here in white. I kind of like how they did this. I like how they did this all white thing right over here. It's kind of dope. Look how epic it looks behind me. Plus supercars behind me. Insane. Insane. There's like $10 million worth of cars behind me right now. Look at my rear view mirror, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but what is going on? Halfway through the drive, I would say. I know we're meeting up for a photo opportunity somewhere, but I just wanted to show you guys this amazing canyon that we're rolling through. This is in I believe Orange County. I think it's called like Trabujo Canyon or something like that. Absolutely, it's awesome. I don't know how else to explain it. It's like the trees covering over. It's a swooping canyon road. It's very engaging. It's very much like a roller coaster, to be honest with you, especially with these types of cars. I got a Huracan behind me in a Marlboro tobacco livery. Which looks sick. Marlboro cigarettes, I shouldn't say tobacco, which looks awesome. Then I got my buddy Mark in his 675 LT in front of me. So, I mean, there's not much better of a view, you know? UFO 720S. Yeah, we got some of the gang back together. We lost a little bit of the group through the canyon, but looks like the gang is back together. So that means two things. One, it's awesome. The gang is back together. But two, we need to be extra careful because when you got like 50 supercars ripping down the interstate like that, it's going to draw some attention. So we all got to be careful and not go too fast like this dude. Got 720s to the right. There's got anything and everything you can imagine, guys. This is insane. Hear those pops? Spider. 650S Spider.